Well, in this video, I'm gonna be talking about how to change the drive belt on a Honda CR-V 2008 2.2 liter diesel i-CTDi engine. So, as you see here, you may not see that it's cracked from the inside or it's becoming dry, but if it's bad, so it may go bad like this from here, and then it will lose some parts of it. So this engine has only one belt on the side, one drive belt, and it's connected to almost everything. So it's important to change it if it goes bad. The tensioner is located right there, and you will release it from the downside. So you lift the car first, you remove the wheel, and then when you go from the downside, you will see this will be held by two plastic screws, maybe like this. So you have to remove this first side first and pull it to the back, and then it will be released. Then you can pull the whole thing. There is one bolt that is holding the whole plastic part here, but you don't need to remove it because it's flexible. So you just take it down, maybe like this, remove it from the way, and then you will reach what you want. So it's actually coming from the crank pulley to the AC, and then you see there the water pump, I think, and there is the tensioner, that one, and the alternator, and the idle pulley, and the hydraulic pump to the steering wheel. So the tensioner is actually sitting here almost. It's sitting with the engine from this side, and the downside is the pulley of it. So you hold the it's a 40mm bolt. It's in the middle of the pulley, and you will hold it like this from downside, and you will pull it back like this, like you are torquing it. So you pull it like this, then it will release the tensioning, and then you can remove the drive belt. And it's important to remember how it's sitting, because it's sitting on many pulleys, and if you don't remember exactly how, it will be bad. And then you put back everything as it was before, and the same thing when you want to put the new belt, you have to release the tensioner. So again, there is the tensioner. It's there. We can see it from the upside, maybe better. It's that one. So you will reach it from the downside, and you will pull it like this. Okay, so you will pull it like you are torquing the bolt, and it's a 40mm bolt. So yeah, you may need a special tool to reach the small, the tight place here, or like using two wrenches. One wrench to like 14mm, and the other one like to hold the other wrench, or like another tool that can make it longer and at the same time small, so it will fit in place. So yeah, again from downside, yeah, there is the tensioner, and the idler maybe pulley is above it, but yeah, here is the 14mm tensioner. Yeah, so just take it to the left, to the back side, because it's holded from upside, so it's sitting like this. So you have to hold it from here, from the bolt, and take it like this, so it will be released. Then remove the belt and look at the pulleys that all are okay, and then you put the new belt by releasing the tensioner of the tensioning of the tensioner, and yeah, that's how you can, or this is how you can change the drive belt on this car. So